So we are heading to the Magic Kingdom. Oh, hello guys. So this is one of those vlogs I was talking about. Where's my glasses? I don't know. One of those vlogs I was talking about. I'll be vlogging one video at each destination. This is just a quick vlog. As you can see there, you got the water and everything. We are on the ferry, and we are going to Magic Kingdom, basically. Right. So if the quality's bad, I don't want to. Hi, Dad. Yeah, I don't want to point the camera in anyone's faces while I'm vlogging. Look at that view there. You can see. Look at it. Yeah, all these videos will be uploaded when I get back. I can see the Disney Channel. Oh no! Really? Oh great! Water's gonna messed up my camera now. We are nearly at the tower. As you can see, we are nearly at the tower. Wait. Yeah, the tower's like there. So I'm just, for the next bit of the vlog, I'm just going to let you just look. It's nice to notice how all this stuff is different to what it is back home. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, I see something. I see one of the stuff. Oh look, train track. So this is basically what my view is, basically. Yes, that's the end of the vlog here. This is basically the ferry trip of Magic Kingdom. So there's the castle over there. I'll see you later. Goodbye.